In what?
Like 44 would do.
What you gonna blow my doors off in?
Ain't you got the little out of it?
Don't you? Ain't this one little?
Okay, well shit, I blow the doors off.
This little ass A gonna blow the doors off mine? Ain't no A ever gonna blow no doors off mine. How much you wanna put on it? Mine S6.
Oh no, I'm gonna let you make it.
Thank you. Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
I know when I beat it. I'm gonna let you make it.
Yeah, I appreciate it. So appreciate it. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all, what's happening, man? Turbo TV. Let me get in the sun since, oh, Jesus, let me not. Turbo TV, man. Hello, welcome. It is the weekend of March 7th. Today is the 6th. So, I went live yesterday on the meet that I threw. Going to the meet today, going to the track today, going to do hood rat things with my friends. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification, hit all. If you're family, welcome back. What's happening? Man, today, again, we are at the pre-meet of the meet. So we all linked up to meet here to ride out to the meet. Of course, y'all should know, we had to wait on Hemi Life. Hemi Life always late, y'all. Hemi Life is a part of the damn meet. He's a part of throwing this thing. So we gotta go. Everybody out here. This look like a goddamn meet. It's not a meet, it's just a pre-meet. But we on our way to the thing, man. Y'all just watch.
Turbo family.
I sure wish you niggas was here like an hour ago.
See, I was on my way.
No, I don't want to talk to you no more. I don't want to talk to you no more.
You making me later, bro.
Ain't that a bitch?
I go over there and the chicken. God damn, bro. Nah, you don't get the part. Damn, chicken shack. You don't get the part. Oh, you don't. Nah, you don't. Dude supposed to give me some free chicken, bro.
Who?
Free chicken.
You missed a turkey leg, dude.
Got a little subscribe over there, bro.
Let's go. Let's go inside. You missed turkey leg, dude, though.
Hey, you stay there, man. I'm gonna grab me one.
Stuffed turkey leg, macaroni and cheese in it. This is the Mamba Hellcat with the tribute to Kobe Bryant on it. Oh, this is the hardest rap I ever seen. The 24 on this side. You got the 8 on this side. You know what I'm saying? It's a real life tribute car, bro. Y'all go subscribe, man. Must be good wasting gas and shit. But I mean, y'all gotta look at all the details, bro. How it go with the rap and it's actually cutting the stripes off. It's the Kobe tribute, bro. What's happening, baby? The hoe is hard as hell, man. You gotta look at it all. You gotta see everything. I don't know if you can see it. You got the 24 on this mirror, 8 on that mirror. But you gotta see how the snake actually cut through the rap. Like, this is a dope ass tribute. Yes, y'all, it's a Hellcat. It's right here too, Joe.
I see.
Man, we got Cool J out here. Hey, yeah, we got B Merrill TV over there. I like he even got it on the roof, bro. All right, here go the Atlanta niggas. Y'all know him, he like cars. Man, it's too much going on to even talk. We got the real 14K over there. Yes, sir. We got the Atlanta niggas pulling up. That is Cool J's car, y'all. That's Life of JD. You dirty, stupid bitch. You dirty, stupid bitch.
My brother, I love you.
Stupid fuck. I can't tell y'all his name, and I'm not gonna show no license plates, but that's his car.
He's slow.
Tell him again.
Slow anyway. Slow as fuck. Nah, he's scared to race this.
Oh, you scared to race? Let me find out. So y'all, man, it's cars everywhere, bro. It's too much to be showing, man, to be honest. That's the Atlanta niggas. We got a little bit of everything. Hey, Fat Boy TV, how are you? What's going on? How you doing?
Good.
What's happening, brother?
Sir, what's going on, brother?
Ain't nothing.
I have made it.
Yeah, it took you long enough. I know you just got off, though.
Whenever you ready. Whenever you ready.
What?
Hey, don't talk to me.
Already seen it. That's from yesterday.
Don't talk to Mufasa like that.
I gotta say, man, it's
Don't talk to Mufasa.
more cars everywhere.
Mufasa,
Hey, what's that to my?
Oh, yeah. Hey, well, I'm sorry. I'm simple then. I'm simple then. I'm alright with being simple.
No, but you know, I changed the name. The name ain't Mufasa no more. What is it?
Say Fulon, so
But you know, I really call it the Hellhound. Okay. I ain't got no Hellcat. That motherfucker a dog or something.
y'all know my eyes are over there. Hey, Margie. That bitch so sweet. Give me that one more time. I said I need it one more time.
Huh?
Who are you?
Hey, I'm Ozzy.
Late. That's your name. Y'all know ZL1 Friday the 13th. And it's cars everywhere. Y'all, and this is the pre-meet. This is the meet to go to the meet. If that makes sense.
Well, hello there, brother.
Hello, sir. How are
How are
you?
you, sir?
I'm all right. How are
Clarence
you?
McLeod. Nice to meet you.
Leroy Jenkins. Nice
Hey,
to
man.
meet you.
I met you last night, didn't I, brother?
I believe so.
I think so.
All right. What's happening?
Yeah, that's right there. Definitely the racing coordinator right here.
Yeah, hey, yeah.
The
Hey,
racing
yeah.
coordinator
What's going
right
there?
there.
Shout y'all out, man. Shout y'all shit out one time. Give them something.
You know, Hellcat. You know, 2017. I'll let me. You know.
Man, Mr. Daytona, bro. SR 285. Check out the YouTube, my boy.
Yes, sir.
I got a YouTube channel too.
I seen it also,
Hey man,
sir.
listen, hey, Big Rod 392, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe and hit that bell at the top.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Beauty 392B.
Yes, ma'am.
J No 5.7.
Yes, sir. Oh, almost got it. Look at all of them cars, man. All
just not
Ooh, let's spell this shit out.
Alright. You gonna be on the, you still gonna be on the Wi-Fi? Alright, I'm sending. Alright. My nigga shit spun out.
You seen it?
He ain't have no goddamn track. Why you don't turn that shit off, like boy? What the fuck is he doing?
Blocking traffic. It's a random.
That nigga love that damn car.
Mm-hmm.
So what the nigga who had the car for? Y'all want to get followed by the police, huh?
Yep.
Yeah,
Joe little ass with the smoke. Hey, y'all, so left the pre-meet. As y'all see, it's dark. See how long it took us to get here? We are officially at the meet, the real meet. You know, we had a nice little lineup. I'm gonna go ahead and get some footage though, man. Y'all, when I say it's cars on cars on cars, some of our people ain't even done pulling up. Hey, why you not recording? Why you not recording?
I'm being a family person right now. I'm meeting all my family right now, brother. I'm finna be recording the Freeman and over there, go up and here, go.
Cool.
Him at like 44.
Why'd you say it like that?
I ain't running rough. I got the tools. What the fuck? You ain't running no rough, brother? Come on, man. Hey, guess what? Watch out, watch out.
Okay, I'm gonna let you have it.
Mozzie, yeah! That's my dad right here, bro.
Boss man, what's happening? He just walking up there. Mopar Mafia done pulled up. Yo, we is thick. You upset, brother? What's going on?
Hey.
You decided to ride today?
Yes, but I'm starving.
Yeah, we leaving. We've been out here for hours waiting on y'all. Yeah.
That's Hemi Life 44 stop. Tell him Hemi Life 44 be on time.
Yeah, please be on time. I just told you you were late. We still love y'all though.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, take care.
All right. That bitch so clean, bro.
Oh, look at that.
Damn, just flip colors on me real quick. I thought the hell was black.
Right? I thought it was black too. I'm like, how many of these gonna
Oh, that's Mia. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Man, you seen me, man. Don't you try to just pull through here like that.
I'm trying to pull in, man.
Oh, good luck.
I know, right?
Good luck. You want to just tell her go down and come back through? Where you? Oh, I was talking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, yeah. He high. He on some drugs.
Oh, shit, God. Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gifted and qualified, baby.
Nigga turned to 17 mode on the game.
Because he wanted to do a burnout. Don't do it, bro. Don't.
You good though? I don't want nobody parking right here so we get out. This man,
Boy, I'm trying to tell you.
the whole camera, bro.
These Atlanta folks, boy.
Dallas boys,
These
man.
Atlanta folks, boy, come down here and lose it.
America and stuff, man.
Hey, yeah, you see the shield? We blocking our bullshit.
We the villains out here, bro.
Oh, I like how you did that.
Look, we the villains out here.
Hey, y'all hear this man talking right? I'm gonna show y'all later on tonight. Yeah, I seen that shit. Yeah,
And this the one that was at Field City, right?
yeah. You have to ask the iPhone people. I don't know. Yeah, that nigga closed the gate. This man, I like this yellow. What the hell? Yeah.
Oh, I know this nigga.
Yeah, that's the Atlanta nigga. Be with Brick.
No, I'm saying I know this nigga. He my cousin.
Oh.
Oh, this my cousin.
This the Yale cat. This the one that called Mazian. But last night we talked about it. He didn't want to wreck.
This my other cousin.
The Yale cat.
We got out here, you can't see shit.
I can see just fine.
I'm walking next to you with the flashlight, man. Yep.
Is yours on?
Right next.
Is yours on?
Yeah, it's on. It's not that bright. I gotta get
He said he ain't coming. Real ain't coming. I'll tell you off the camera.
You should already know. You should already know.
He probably be at the track though. He said he ain't coming here. Y'all go give her a follow too, or a subscribe and a follow. Cool J, stupid, bro. Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Who are you, bro? You didn't even say
Blind?
that. Oh, yeah, we know that. Baby,
Yeah.
where you at? Hey, come. Look, this is what I was talking about. When I told you about the reflective calipers.
Oh, them tough.
Yeah, now you see why I said instead of the paint, bro, that shit hard. Already ordered mine. You better get yours. I almost damn killed myself. Fucking boulders. That house so clean. I gapped them.
Damn, man. Give me a
They
tripod.
can't even record. You can't even record. I can see you. Yeah, I'm supposed to be able to see you, but I didn't know I was gonna see what I was gonna see. Oh, that shit so. I don't care. That rap is so fucking clean to me. Yeah. All right, bro. Oh, that motherfucker's so raw, bro. Yeah.
You got the speakers with the skeleton in.
I know. I just don't be liking to say his name. Ain't no disrespect, but
I heard something.
I don't even stay in town.
I was out of town when I heard
This T Rose car, y'all. She done pulled up on your boy. Hey, Joe. This is the rap that me and Rockstar think about doing. Yeah. But in person, bro, it's amazing. You see how it's dark when it's not lit up? Yeah, because her husband's is thing one, the black one. Y'all go follow her, y'all.
It's on the top, right?
Yeah, it's on top back here. Y'all go subscribe now, man. She is a part of the squad. Y'all go subscribe. And you got to come close to understand that it's his thing too.
Nasty.
Bro, you see, I like how where she got it too. But come to the front. Did you see the front port? Bro, all of this is dope. This shit down here kills it. Exactly. But when she riding, that kills it, bro. Now you see why me and Rockstar said we, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, he need to get that done.
TJ? No, TJ ain't got no lights. That's that 5'7", ain't it?
I don't know, that's old boy. I thought somebody was in there. Man, I thought somebody was in there with him, and he was by himself doing that. He was coming in the freeway.
He doing it right now, look. Yo, that nigga's driving the car himself and hanging out the roof at it's a Mustang, please, please, Lord Jesus. Please, Lord Jesus. So nervous. He gonna hit it too, what? I told you what I told you. What I told you. Come on with it.
I got a super.
I trust the old people. What is that? A soup? Jesus. Shit. That motherfucker been leaning.
Yes, sir.
Who are you, brother?
Oh, who am I? I am nobody and everybody at the same time, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel. Hatch TV. Y'all seen that Pennywise thing. It's got red balloons on the bottom of it now, baby. Time to float. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Bro, you didn't give me no names, brother.
Hey, ZL1 Friday the 13th, you already know.
Hey, y'all, listen, y'all. Why every time you go up to somebody that's recording, you say, who are you? They put their camera right in your camera.
In their camera.
These niggas go straight like, yeah, I'm
You gotta put it on in the car. I got the 20 in the car. Oh, okay.
Who are you, sir?
Who are you?
Yeah.
No limits, baby.
Say,
So you got work in your hand? Hey, that's my man working, baby. My man working.
I got 15 apiece, you know what I'm saying? Which color you want? We got what you want.
one of them red ones is mine. One of them red ones is mine.
You already stole yours?
Yeah,
yes, sir.
I got 300 in the
Hey, but
300.
hey,
You
hey,
got 300 more in the car.
hey.
Still
But I got
said
this
working.
Showdown design, and he said
Working. They in there working. Uh-oh. There's some bullies out here.
$1,000 a day. What is it?
Orlando Jenkins.
Look it up.
it's a Caboose day, bro.
You said what, brother?
You got the light on, too.
Yeah. That's why I'm doing it. I just take the camera, just go in a circle on everybody. No, it's straight behind the car, straight. I just did.
Oh no,
I just did.
I mean, that's what I was gonna do if it wasn't over.
I'm just saying, cause you can go in between the buildings right there. That's why I said that.
I don't like y'all goddamn freeway so okay?
I got to.
I don't like your goddamn freeway.
Yes, you do. You a truck driver. You a truck driver. It don't
You gotta
matter.
go 5 miles to turn around. Why?
Don't miss your exit.
Yeah.
Don't miss your exit out here. You
5 miles to come back.
just enjoy it.
No.
Don't get down here and start complaining about our shit. This is what we do here. We learn how to get off. Even if we about to pass it, we cut across and get off. That man know for real. Hey, did you see that video? Or you doing donuts yesterday? I posted it.
Oh, it's on YouTube?
Yeah, no, it's on Instagram. I tagged you.
Here. Oh, there. Watch the ball. Which one?
Right side, right side.
Shot it. What?
Middle?
No. Missed.
Right side.
Where is that? Where is it?
You pick the right one, he can be like, where your money at?
Yeah, you can't pay you.
Well, I got to ask for it to be done.
I just don't got cash. I ain't broke.
Ask for it.
Yeah,
Getting upset.
If you got credit with America, you got
If I had
credit
a cash, I
with
would took that.
Turn it over. Where is it? I give you what I call a critic shot. If you got it on your card, I give you action. Which one you said it was? Point to it.
Go on, me. Quit being scared.
Hell no.
You want me to do it over? You want me to do it over? Just do it like you had, baby. You want me to do it over?
Watch out, they
All right.
Where's that?
I know what it said. I can't. I'm not gonna say.
You had it too,
I see
bro.
what you do. I know. I know I had
You got to watch. You got to watch the spin.
That's one tire, bro.
one wheel.
Only one wheel.
One wheel now.
GQ, what they doing? That's why he got out of it. I ain't seen the Magna so long. That bitch clean though. Yeah.
You going to the track, bro?
Mm-hmm. Oh, we all going. Yeah, you did. Why you didn't pull up then?
You weren't talking to your mind.
I know. I was.
You didn't see what I was putting.
Well, then we all gonna, man. We all gonna be together tonight.
Yeah, man. I got you saved.
Shout out. What's your channel, bro?
I don't want my channel.
44 gang?
I don't know it.
44 gang?
What's your channel, bro? Hey, everybody here know your channel.
Who are you?
What's your channel?
No. I ain't talking to your camera. I ain't talking to your camera.
He said get out the way. He said get out the way. No, he gonna wait. He gonna wait.
I ain't gonna lie to you. Exactly. Y'all can stand there, y'all want. Everybody fly like. Right, I'm on the same thing. We can't see you, bro, back there.
Where you going, brother? That is done.
Oh, man.
Which one?
It's some other place. Some other place.
There's one for tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
What time they close today?
Shit, as long until we leave.
Alright, man. I'll probably put up like around 9:30.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave here in a little while.
Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. I ain't jump on the ground.
All right. You know who that is?
Jay just rapped that.
Oh, that? Oh, he did. Yeah. Turn this shit on. Don't kill yourself. All we doing, somebody rest. Give me a little bit, bro. I seen you. Give me one. Give me one. Give me one. He about to. He about to. Come on, so I can get this thumbnail. Yes, sir.
He said that.
Where? Yep. He lucky I ain't see him before he parked. That grim thing. Yes, sir.
He got the grandpa.
Y'all see the number on top?
How we come with you and you ain't let us get it? Come on. I got it. I'm gonna show you.